Hi, I'm Tyler and you're watching Find My Type.
Today we're looking at Satyali Beautiful Skin.
Beautiful Skin has a wide variety of different body butters. This is the orange flavour called Lang Lang, and it's actually got a really nice smooth texture when you apply it to like your skin. It smells really nice, like orange almost, orange cinnamon. I think there are traces of coconut oil and macadamia oil. Yeah, it's really smooth. It's so nice. On the right hand side we have the original. Yeah, it's got a really nice smell to it too. Same application, just feels really nice in the skin. I think it has almost the same ingredients on it. It's just the leaf extract or the scented body butter is different. Thank you for watching Find My Type.